Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Across the globe, major navies like American, French, British and now Australian have switched over to nuclear submarine fleet. The actual shift towards nuclear attack submarine is due to its various advantages over conventional diesel attack submarines. They are more silent and can remain underwater for months. These submarines can lead the fight along with frigates and warships. But India has its own plan and reason for the development of submarines. However, there are some hindrances and challenges present in the development of futuristic submarines. But sooner or later, India will overcome these challenges and start growing at its own pace. As per the recent reports, Indian Navy has plan of operating 24 new submarines, out of which 6 are of Kalvari class, 6 would be built under Project 75I, whose tender has been issued. A proposal for building 6 nuclear attack submarine under Project 75 Alpha and 6 nuclear powered ballistic missile submarines. Unlike Australia, India will be operating a combination of nuclear attack submarines, ballistic missile submarines and diesel attack submarines. Talking about status of Kalvari class diesel attack submarines, total 6 submarines are to be built, out of which 3 are in service, 2 undergoing sea trials and 1 under construction. All deliveries are expected to be completed by 2022. These submarines are smaller than submarines that are going to be built under Project 75I. Kalvari class submarines are of 1800 ton class. Now talking about Project 75I, there are plans to build 6 diesel electric submarines equipped with state-of-art AIP system. In April 2019, an expression of interest was issued for 6 submarines capable of firing land attack missiles and anti-ship cruise missiles. These submarines will have displacement of 3000 to 4000 tons. They will be bigger in size and stealthier. Talking about Project 75 Alpha, there are plans to build 6 nuclear attack submarines. The Government of India had approved the construction of 6 such submarines in February 2015. These submarines will be designed by Navy's in-house Directorate of Naval Design and indigenously built in Shipbuilding Center at Visakhapatnam. Initially, 3 submarines are planned to undergo construction in 2023 to 2024, while another set of 3 will get clearance later. The first submarine is planned to enter into the service by 2032. Now talking about ballistic missile nuclear submarine, India is already operating INS Arihant, and there are plans to build 3 such submarines, out of which 1 submarine S3 is ready for induction and 2 submarines S4 and S4 Star are under advanced stage of construction. These submarines are capable of launching nuclear missiles and act as a nuclear deterrent for India. Arihant class submarines have 6000 to 7000 tons of displacement and can carry 4 to 6 ballistic missiles with them. Apart from these submarines, there are planned to build 3 S5 class ballistic missile submarines. In total, 3 submarines will be built under this project. These submarines will be more powerful and will have more nuclear missile than Arihant class submarine. The S5 class of submarines are planned to weigh around 13,500 tons. They can carry 12 to 16 K6 submarine launched ballistic missiles, each armed with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle MIRVs. Now, there is a common perception that like Australia, India should also scrap its diesel electric submarine and start building nuclear submarines. Strategically, Indian Navy will operate a mix of both nuclear and conventional submarine to deal with the threat around the country. For Australia, the threat is more in the open oceans and area around them. The decision to scrap a conventional submarine deal makes sense for them. While for India, our need is to tackle threat both near our coastal areas as well as open seas. That is why Indian Navy would build a fleet which would include both nuclear as well as conventional submarines. For a country like India, having a mix of both types of submarines make more sense economically, as well as the cost of operating and building nuclear attack submarine is more than double of building conventional diesel electric submarine. For example, the entire project to build 6 nuclear submarines under Kalvari class Scorpion boats for India would come around 25,000 crore on completion. On another hand, the proposal to build the first 3 nuclear attack submarine to be built by Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO at its submarine building center would be cost more than 50,000 crore. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you had not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.